Hello friends, today we're gonna assemble a high quality mic. So it was not working before. So let me show you what was the problem before I repaired it. So just I unwrap this sticker. You can see now. So this was the problem here. This wire is disconnected. So I resoldered it and the problem is solved. These types of mics can be seen in every wireless or wired mic. So there is a method to check these type of coils. You can see there are the two wires, black and red. You have to check the continuity with the help of multimeter. If it is not showing reading on the red and black wire, you need to check the wiring, or in second step you can replace the coil to get the working mic. See, there is a 604 is the reading. If I reverse the wires, the same reading is coming out. So the coil is now okay. Before it was repaired, it is not shown like this. Now coil and all things are okay. So let's assemble the mic. Hello. So please like and share the video if you like it, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.